Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will learn how to make a butterfly with watercolor. So for that what you need is your pencil, eraser, paper and some paint. So let's get started. So I took my paper horizontally, and what I'm going to do here, first I'm going to make a little small circle. Very nice. Now from that circle I'm making a kind of a U shape, not too big. Try to keep it like a medium one. Very good. Now I'm making another U shape underneath, and it's gonna be smaller than the first one. Very good. Now I'm gonna make one diagonal line from here. We'll go all the way to the right side, and we'll copy the same one and make another one to the other side. Beautiful, very good. And we'll make another one to the other side. Very nice, good job. Okay, now see, we have this middle part, so little close to that middle part you make a straight line, which will go pretty long, so almost close to over here. Okay, and we have to make one more to the other side. Very nice. Now what we'll do, we'll make one more line which will come diagonally down, but this one will not be that longer. Okay, it's going to be very short. Same thing the other side, right over here. Make sure all the measurements are pretty much even. Are you done? Very good. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to connect this one to this one here. Same thing, this one to this one over here. Very good. Now we'll make one more curvy line right here coming down, and another curvy line right over here. Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, I will make a nice curve and come connect here. Same thing, curved line and connect here. Very nice, good job. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, I will make a little straight line coming down and going up. You did it? Let me show you one more time. One straight line which will come down and go up and connect here again. Very beautiful. I think this side needs to be a little more longer. Let me do that. Very pretty, good job. With the pencil, so I'm going to add one wiggly line coming all the way here, and one wiggly line come all the way here and connect here. Same thing other side, wiggly lines come here and wiggly line come here to here. Very beautiful. And let's make the antenna, and for that you make one line, little dot, another line, little dot here. Okay, so we'll keep it like that, and rest we'll add all the details with our colors. Okay, I'm gonna take my Sharpie and just trace some line. So here, this one, and this one here. Especially the edges, we want to trace it. This one Same thing, other side. Very good. Do not trace it too much, just a little bit is fine. And what I'm doing here, I'm just making some little dots right over here next to the inner part line. It's just a little dot, nothing too fancy, nothing too much to do, just a little small lines. Go back and forth and you can create those dots. Same thing over here, make little dots. For the coloring, what you need a brush, purple, blue, and black. So I'm going to use this 3 color. If you want to use anything else, of course you can do that. Right, so what I'm going to do, I took my water and then I am going to cover my entire butterfly with the water, but just the left side first. Slowly we'll do the other side as well. So left side, and then I have my blue here. What I'm gonna do, I'll just add my blue some areas and let it be spread all over naturally. See, I'm not going zigzag, just very light, very gentle. You apply your blue here, and I'm using the same blue right next to it as well, but we will use some more darker blue. Like I just added a little bit of black with my blue, just a tiny bit of, to create that effect. And see, I'm not putting my entire brush, I'm just working on with my tip of my brush. Add the color here, and then I'm going to add some purple right here, just a little bit of purple. There we go, very nice, good job. And I'm still, this part is colored, but still I want to add some color over here, so I just added whatever leftover color I had in my brush. Very nice. Now I'll do the same thing over here. I'll add some water all over this place. And then first I'm gonna take my light blue, and with the light blue I'm just going all over here, and also right over here. Very nice. Now take your dark blue. Do not wait too much, because if you wait too much it will get dry. You can just add some color right here. With your dark blue, and bring the color right there. Now you take your purple and add some purple. Beautiful, very good. All right, so this is done, and then I'm going to take my purple and add the same purple right over here. You can do it the face as well. And take a little bit of black after that to give it like a extra wow thing. And then I'm gonna apply the black right here. Alrighty, so we're almost done. Let me know if you like the video, and if you like it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. And if you haven't subscribed yet this channel, definitely do the subscription. Bye, thank you.